Hi Mom, I wanted to show you some plants that I'm propagating right now. These are Coleus plants that grow really well here in Texas. Here's a green version. It's like a bright chartreuse plant that loves it out here. This is a Coleus I already rooted, and I put it in a potter. It started out just like this one, just a little stem. I put it in this glass, and then in about 2 weeks, it sprouted just a million roots. And I let it grow in there for about maybe 2-3 more weeks. And then I found these cute pots by Pioneer Woman at Walmart, and they're like $6. So I bought a bunch of them. And this one's growing really well and keeping the soil super moist. And it's grown new leaves. I planted it about 4 days ago, and it has already grown new leaves. This Coleus cutting, it grew new leaves just in the 4 days that I had it in this little water. Okay. And these ones I just cut this morning. I cut all of the leaves off, and so there's just little nubbins, and so out of these top nubbins will grow new leaves, and then usually sort of out of the bottom and out of the sides will sprout a bunch of roots just randomly. So the whole point of me doing this is so I could keep my Coleus collection going over winter. So I'm gonna root these, plant these, I'm gonna overwinter them in my house. And oh, this is the amaryllis that you sent me for Christmas. It's gotten really tall. Every time I water it, it does this depressing drooping thing. But in about 24 hours, they'll stand up again towards the light. It's just put out some leaves. It has not flowered at all. But so let me show you what my current Coleus collection is looking like outside. Here is my Coleus collection that I have potted. These I bought at the local nursery. They're like $3 a little container. And I just planted them all in one container that the previous owners left me with a dying plant. I just took that plant out and potted them a bunch in here. Now, this is overgrown. So what's happening now is it's not mounding anymore. I'm getting these large shoots instead of it mounding. It's supposed to be like a mound. So I cut out 2 big giant shoots this morning, and those are the ones I rooted, or I'm going to root. This is the one I need to cut next to root. I already have a clipping of this one. I've got 2 clippings of that. Here's my other Coleus. This one I'm rooting currently. This is my lamb's ear. It's super soft. More Coleus. Kind of got the same thing going on this side. I haven't even fertilized these. They're just living off of the enriched topsoil that my gardener put in. These are my carpet roses, which are doing okay. These ones are finally growing. We'll have buds soon. This is the Lanzia, I think is what it's called. This is the, I don't even know how to say it, but this has red spirea flowers. This one's not doing so well. I don't know why. Here's some purple stuff. This is called wormwood. That is a fire ant hill, which, damn, gotta take care of that. These things scare me. Here's some more Coleus. These are annuals. They don't survive winter. So I gotta root these. Or I might just trim them down and maybe cover them. I have lots of weeds happening here, but this is clover. And I just saw on Martha Stewart yesterday that if I let the clover take over, it'll fight out the other weeds. So I might do that instead of picking it. And this is my garden. Hope you enjoyed it.